Textbooks teach you how to say Olá, tudo bem? Or Bom dia, boa tarde, boa noite. But they don't teach you how to really sound Portuguese. In this video, I will teach you 5 real expressions that native speakers use every day in Portugal. These are phrases that you will never see in a textbook, I think. They are short, natural, and once you learn them, you will have basically a C1 level in Portuguese, and that will be certified by me. Don't worry, I will certify your C1 level if you learn these phrases. If you are learning Portuguese and want to speak like a local, hit that like button and subscribe, and we will start now with the phrases. The first one is fixe. No, this is not fish in English. Não é peixe. This is classic. It means cool, awesome, or nice, like fish. Ai, bué da fish. It's used to react to good news, plans, or anything positive in general. You can say it to friends, colleagues. You can basically say it to everyone because it used to be a casual word, but everyone accepts it because everyone says it, so it's really just a word. Like, I say it 500 times a day. Vou comprar bilhetes para o concerto. Fixe! Now we have tipo. This is the Portuguese version of like as a filler word. People use it a lot when they're telling stories or when they are thinking out loud. It doesn't mean anything, but it means everything at the same time. It just gives you time to think or makes you sound more casual when you are talking with someone. Don't use it with your boss, don't overuse it, don't become addicted to it, but you can use it sometimes to sound more natural and more chill in your conversations in Portuguese. E depois ele ficou tipo super nervoso. Estás a ver? This in the literally meaning means are you seeing? Estás a ver? But this is used to say, you know what I mean, right? Often used at the end of sentences to check if the other person is following what you are saying. People use this to explain stories, to give opinions, or just to make sure they are being understood, to make sure the other person is following. Now we have é na boa. This means it's fine, no worries, don't worry about it. It's informal, friendly, and very often used when someone apologizes or is feeling bad about doing something small, like you drop something or you bump into someone and they say sorry and you answer with this. You can use it in shops, with friends, or even with strangers if you want to sound polite but relax, chill. For the last one, we have logo se vê. This phrase literally means later we will see, and it's a very Portuguese way to avoid making decisions right now. I'm always saying this because I'm a very indecisive person, and you use this when you are not ready to commit to something, especially plans, like we'll see how it goes. This can mean like yes, no, or just take out the pressure off me. It's used when you are talking about plans or events or anything in the future that you don't know if you are going or not. You say logo se vê. Vague and common. Vais à festa amanhã? Logo se vê. If you're traveling to Portugal, these phrases will be very useful to you. And if you want to survive at the cafe, a metro, a station, or an hotel, I made another video where I teach you 30 essential phrases for tourists in Portugal. It's this one. It's full of useful, practical stuff, so definitely check that out now. Now, tell me which one of these phrases was new for you. Did you know any of these phrases before watching the video? Let me know in the comment. Obrigada por estares aqui. Até já. Tchau.